Hello everyone, I am Sarika Chaudhary and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is about how to stitch wrap skirt with frills. And for this we need waist round measurement. So my waist is 40 inches and in this I will add extra 15 inches for the front part. So overall 40 inches plus 15 inches that is 55 inches and this measurement will be on fold. So when fold it open, overall it will be 110 inches. After marking, I am just cutting the extra fabric. So on the fold side, I am taking 13 inches to draw a curve shape for the waistline. And for the waistline, simply divide your waist round by 3s. So in my case, it's 40 inches divided by 3, that is 13 in round figure. Now from the middle of the waist curve, I am marking at 28 inches for the skirt length. You can go with 24 or 26 based on your preference for length. After marking, I am just drawing a curve, and for the front I have marked at 22 inches as the front will be shorter than back. Securing the marking with the pins to hold pattern on place, and we'll cut both waistline and bottom part. So main body of the skirt is ready, and now we need fabric swatches for frills and belt. For this measurement will be 5 into 30 inches, that is 5 inches width and 30 inches length. I am cutting 7 swatches, that is 4 for frills and 3 for belt. For frills we need to do loose stitching. And once stitching is done, you simply need to pull one thread while holding another one carefully so that you won't end up breaking thread. Frills are ready now. And now we need to stitch the skirt body and frills together. While doing stitching, I am cutting some extra fabric from the skirt edge to give a curve shape. Here I am also cutting frills to give flow effect. For the belt, I have attached 3 swatches together and folded them 1 inch inside from both the sides and did ironing on top of that, so fold will stay on place. As you can see, I am stitching belt, and after stitching till 30 inches, I am inserting waistline inside the belt and will continue with the stitching. At the end I am folding belt and doing stitching on top of that. Now only hem part is remaining, and for that I am folding less than 1/4 inches of fabric twice inside and doing stitching on that. This is how it looks. So here is our wrap-up skirt with frills is ready. Thank you so much for watching. You can drop a comment to share if you enjoyed watching this video. You can also DM me on Insta and its link will be in the description box. And yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time. Until then, take care.